Eto na mga boss, alam ko excited kayo sa Galaxy Blitz, no? Pinaka-inaabangan mobile first play to earn strategy game, no? Kung may extra time ka, halika samahan mo ko boss dahil exciting to. Let's start the experience. Let's go! So ito na mga boss, no? As you can see, merong mga Binance NFT guys. So kung titignan nyo yung video guys, yan. So, merong sa April 11th, okay, meron din sa May 9. Pero big deal yun sa May 9 guys, sa official website ng Galaxy Blitz, okay? So, there will be an NFT sale. So guys, as you can see here mga boss, so yan yung NFT utilities and ecosystem and values, makikita nyo lahat nandito. So may hero ship score, so you can just connect your MetaMask guys. Very easy guys, ang dami na natin review dito sa Galaxy Blitz na to, so abangan natin to. Pero guys, Dior pa rin, your money, your choice, I'm not liable to any NFT projects. Lahat ng projects may risk, no? So anticipate nyo yan, okay? So may weapon ship score heroes dito guys, pwede nyo i-check yan. Pwede rin kayo mag-buy ng MIT sa Gid.io, Ascendex, and Pancake Swap guys, alright? So which is very nice mga boss, okay? So another thing to consider, ayan mga boss, so ituturo ko lahat ng ano no, ng trailer and also yung link sa description below. Panoorin nyo muna mga boss, mukhang malupit ito. So yan, nag-sign in siya using, kita nyo yan mga boss, using QR code, no? So gamit mo phone mo, QR mo, lilipat, okay? Using your PC, QR mo, galing sa phone mo, ayan. Tapos ilalapag mo, ang lupit, di ba mga boss? Grabe! So pwede kayo mag-build ng facilities dito, hero, space, armies, spaceships, pwede ka mag-stake na MIT, at mga boss, may in-game power din dito, pwedeng mag-decrease yung spaceship flight time mo, increase immunity periods, increase success probability of NFT minting. So guys, napakarami pa. So you can check this out guys, no? Nasa Twitter nila, napakaraming ways para kumita dito guys, and ililink ko rin sa description below yung starwar.club, okay? So para makita nyo yung mga NFTs. So ito yung roadmap guys, so as you can see, very detailed na roadmap. Magkakaroon na AR dito and VR in the future, meaning mga boss, susut mo yung parang device sa ano, no, sa mukha mo, and makikita mo na talaga yung spaceship, parang ikaw mismo, no? So lupit nito. Pero kahit wala ang ganon, di naman lahat may pambili nun mga boss, no? Kadalasan kahit nga ako wala akong ganyan, pero sa phone pa na mag-enjoy ka na dito, okay? So NFT holders will be able to participate in the beta testing guys. So NFTs collected can be used to trade for physical assets and use in the game. So you can also stake tokens. NFTs can be staked and mine MIT token. May NFT ka, pwede mong gamitin yon pang staking. Kumikita ka ng MIT token long term. Grabe. So wag lang sana bumaba o bumagsak yung MIT token, pero yun. So you can see, year 2022, ayan yung roadmap guys. So kakaroon ng improved AR features, and guys, magkakaroon din ng ano dito, pledge NFT to share MIT seasonal rewards pool, which is the farm. Magkakaroon din ng NFT merge lottery, AR function for L and SSR level high and NFT. So iba-iba kasi yung NFTs dito guys, okay? Maganda, kung sasali kayo dito, i-review nyo mabuting white paper nila, o kaya panoorin nyo yung past reviews ko kung saan diniscuss ko yung mga rarities, yung mga ano yung mga nandito, okay? So update lang to mga boss, no? So titingnan nyo, ang dami, no? Magkakaroon pa ng issue planet NFTs, aesthetic concept arts, storyboard, PvP, interface interaction, demo B, D-app, hold blind box events in Galaxy Blitz D-app, exclusive in-game pre-sale, spaceships, heroes, cannons, release alpha test version sa April, release beta testnet version in May, ito yung naabangan, and release public beta test, the first EVM chain version in June. So nagkakaroon din ng ano no, ng pag-generate ng NFT spaceship completely created by him by spending star coins sa MIT. So pwede mong customize yung ship mo, ikaw maglagay ng cannon, ikaw din mag-customize kung ano yung binabaril niya. Grabe mga boss. So, very detailed. Yan, dashboard module. Magkakaroon din warehouse module, VIP membership module. So, parang sa atin din. Nga pala, sa lahat na hindi pa nag-enroll sa ating program, guys, pwede na kayong punta sa danjocapitalmaster.com. 10,000 pesos lang, guys. Marami na kayong matututunan sa NFT. 200 students na tayo. So, pag nag-enroll na kayo, 10,000 pesos lang yan. Makikita nyo agad sa VIP group natin, no, na nag-interact yung mga nag-enroll na, and at the same time weekly meron tayong klase mga boss. So pwede kayong matuto sumabay sa mga projects na pinapasukan ko, agad-agad yung mababawi yan, guys. And yun, no, very detailed roadmap, may staging module pa, iba pa yung quarter sa yearly. So pati yearly may plano sila, guys. Ayan, no, quarter 1, 2, 3 and it's yearly. So magkakaroon din ng race, expedition module, NFT events. Pwede ka pa mag-switch, no, to GB mobile development, AR, introduce a commission burning mechanism. Meron din burn ng token, which is essential, no, para tumagal yung game economy. So may roadmap 2024 pa, Colony Wars, yan, may PC demo pa. Tapos titingnan nyo yung roadmap, iba pa yung yearly, sa quarter nilang plano. Ang daming plano nitong game na to, no. So may voice chat pa, tournament standings, DeFi platform, ayan, Twinverse, so parang integrate na nila yung metaverse, next gen Unreal Engine 5. Grabe mga boss, ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganito. Magkakaroon pa ng pets, list planets for sale, Genesis auction, and ang dami pa. So guys, if you're interested, you can follow them on their social medias. I will link them on the description below, pero panoorin nyo muna to mga boss. So another thing, yan yung Battlefield, guys. Grabe, lupit ng gameplay. Red Alert na may pagkahalong StarCraft, no? Kung naglalaro kayo ng StarCraft, mag-enjoy kayo dito. Hindi ka na nag-enjoy, kumikita ka pa. At same time, may free to play din siya, pero mas maganda bumili ka para, diba, sayang din yung kikitain mo mga boss. So, meron tayong tracking code sa link sa description below, and meron din Transformer Vive daw, ayan. So, may commanders, and grabe, no, ang daming mga videos na na-release yan. War is coming. So guys, if you're interested in this project, if you want this type yung pinakita natin to kanina, okay, kung gusto nyo yan na gamit phone mo, nagagawa mo lahat, okay. Tapos ayan, meron pang trading competition with Gate.io April 2027. Pwede pa kayo sumali, guys, no. So prize pool $23,000, MIT token nasa PancakeSwap, guys, no. Another thing to consider. And guys, ang daming potential nito. So you can try Galaxy Blitz if you're interested. If you think it has big potential, guys, then the links are already in the description below. I already reviewed it. It has the strongest advantage of playing this game. It has great roadmap, meaning may plano yung developer. O, hindi katulad ng ibang games, ito na yung roadmap nila, nag-iisip pa sila, ito pinlano na nila. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, wala nang risk involved. Kaya anticipate nyo yung risk. Lahat ng projects meron risk. Okay? This is Danjo the Capital Master. Kung gusto nyo to, it has big potential, nice game, big community, guys. Docs devs, you can try this. Okay, nasa inyo ang decision. Galaxy Blitz. This is Danjo the Capital Master. Sa lahat ng gusto mag-enroll sa program ko, matuto paano kumita na malaki sa NFT na hindi nyo makikita sa YouTube, na basic lang. Kaya kahit may makita ka sa YouTube, hindi ka tulad sa tinuturo namin ni Serge, no, na talagang advanced level na kumita kayo ng 100,000 sa NFT. You can check my program, danjocapitalmaster.com. Okay? Ngayon, ito yung Galaxy Blitz game, play to earn strategy game like StarCraft, like Yuri's Revenge, no? So, ingat kayo mga boss. Have a nice day.